guys, bafethu ngoba ngishilo ukuthi njengohosta yenu ngizohamba nginibuza leyo imibuzo ukuthi how was the first half? Asengaphandle guys, ngizocela ukubuza one by one, kube khona esizohlala naye phansi la simbuza into eyincane nje i-review game. Sizoqala ngephi-ke? Sizoqala la kwi-Orlando Pirates. Makumete njani sisi?
Ngizizwa ngijabule. Uzongishonela lapha.
Makumete ubatshela ukuthi namhlanje uthe awuthatha ibreak kancane yamagwinya uwabekela uzowadla makuphela igame.
Awumakuphela igame.
Awusheleke Makumete nqasekunqamululile. Awusheleke how was the first half wena? Ibinjani first half in English?
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
It was very pathetic. Inspirational
Phela umbuzo Makumete. Beautiful. It was beautiful. Bimnandi. It was delicious. Delicious.
This was nice, excited. I'm so excited.
Ubatshela ukuthi wena sithe sithi masikubuza ukuthi uyini wavula wathi wena umdala. Wathi nje umdala bechaza ukuthi phela thina kwavela. Yebo. Ngibapha. Osiduma ngabantu abebebheda. Makumete sicela ukuvula lo omunye sisi. Ngaze seyise kakhulu. Kanti abafundi be-East bacike ngoba ise yazigilaza. I-90 minutes essay. Awuthi ngidlule. Nonhle, how are you doing? In a way of such, we're gonna talk English. Now I know that English is your home language.
We're going to mix English and this.
Oh, okay, we can mix it as exchange. How was the first half review on you?
I was so happy. I was very happy. Like if I can, I would have screamed on top of my voice.
Hey.
That's
on top of my voice. Yes, he will scream on top of her voice, of his voice. Of his voice. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Fatima, how are you doing? Fatima, uzuzunjani weekend namhlanje? Wema. Mase ungala ngathi amasisi. Hayi ke ngizwele kahle ukuthi Fatima uthanda abantu engathi unkalakazi ngadlala ibhola. Awufundisa.
Manje mengitshisa samfushona.
Kodwa unkalakazi umenza nje uba nomjayiveli uba majaza. Okay, azin Fatima uba soziskipha ingane ukuvunela kwi-Chiefs. Phela thina siyabuza i-Chiefs, ihlala i-Chiefs ayikho.
Siyakhala, bese nomiheka manje.
Thank you very much, Fatima. Sorry sisi boss lady unjani? Siyacela ukuthi ungayisuicide sisi. Usoshabeni angithi. Usoshabeni. Usoshabeni shayini. Ngosiyami. Yabo, yazi la drama bake bathini bathi when the sky is blue, the light is the limit. Chaza ukuthi uma umhlaba umuhle, yonke into iyaphumelela. Okay? So mina ngizokutshela one advice and motivation. Orlando Pirates will always be the best team in South Africa in the point of correction. So you just be Orlando Pirates and we will not judge you on your choice. Because we know that you will show us that what is the best team on you. Okay? Vumela inhliziyo, yazi inhliziyo yakho it's kodwa ukube. And right now you are judging yourself with ukube, but ukube nawe ke hayi intombi ngeke phela. Wedlulele ukhethe Chiefs. Hey mfethu, ngicela ukubingelela abalandeli lapho batshele abalandeli beChiefs ukuthi abePirates ukuthi well done uba usho
hayi kanjani manje iCase kanjani manje
guys uboss lady akekho right uphatheke kabuhlungu siyabonga boss lady hope you will find a way to be good sisaza lehle siyaza kwena sinazo ungasami uyaphila umbune yakho uyaphila ngike ngakutshela one thing before even igame ngaqala ngathi usanethuba usanesikhathi sokuba umlandeli weOrlando Pirates but you didn't respect that and you didn't listen it manje uthini ngefirst half yakho
yebo umfutho wami yebo umfutho wami kodwa ayi nginamanje ngisasho
ngiyabuya
yebo
benihambeleni
ayiwa manje besakhathele yabo
binjani isay uphepha 1 section yokuqala
akahle vele uphepha 1 uba nje yabo siyabuya kuphepha 2
good luck
yeah
I
ngiyabona
wish all the best kunina
yeah ngiyazi okusalayo siyadlala kodwa niyabona ngani
okusalayo ileyo nto inkinga ngani bafundi behistory ngihlezi ngithi okusalayo
ni history ukuthi siyadlala vele
ungaphindi uthi okusalayo lokho kushiya ukushiyela ba cause ngabuza we are not in the future tense or past tense we in the present tense wena njengoba uyasho ukuthi babuJomo Somo ngenkulu inhlonipho with a respect ngaphezulu
qinisile yazi mawuthi sithanda history kwenzaneni phakathi neSundowns we nidliwe iSundowns ayi
nidliwe Stellenbosch hayibo laphinde futhi yes Stellenbosch ngisho kahle lizodliwa nayithina hayi ngeke sisi asivele siyiyeke nehistory sishiyele nini asiyobuza abanye mhlawumbe nabo abangayikhuluma kangcono le language yehistory
hamba ngaze ngikhala hamba
sinazo how are you living I'm very disappointed ekutheni uBrian uyiPirates and uwena but you always say you love Brian and uhlezi umsupporter why Brian always sacrifice for wena ukwazi ukusacrifice for yena azingaphoxeka kodwa vele nawe uphoxekileke ayikho igame i-heartbroken njengale game the derby of the world is the always ingaba khona iderby eAmerica ingaba khona eSpain but eyase-South Africa even iShoemesi uhleli phansi uyayibuka uRonaldo uhleli phansi uyayibuka ngicela usho ukuthi president wama-2K Junior Rona Messi angithi yazi ukuthi mina Rona Messi Junior Rona Messi Coco Melon i-2K but deserve number 10 untswempu kakhulu sicela usho njalo kunja safela ubala we ingabe yini safa right awufuna ukuyibulala cha ikhona intambo yes siyazi ukuthi we can't afford i-suicide but njengamanje you can try senatezi akhuleka ihlahla ikhona la ekhaya ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna abo mina ngiphethe nane mic emnyama that shows that I'm always the black guy in the world neziyembi yashaya kuphela
gadama zakho ukhuluma neCase
awufuni mhlawumbe
sezinziwa nani qabela iCase
sesiyaqabela manje buka ngizokunika advice mokuthi ufuna uku-upgrade angisibahlezi beyikinya ngamabhakede nani wena sokutholela isihlalo uyihenge mntana inkosi yes this means suicide sawucheck ugangster labo ukuthi unamonjeni njalo uyini kahle vele
ngiyangibona nawe anginachoice
ngibona ngenhliziyo awaze ese but ungasaphendula ngiyabona yes kuzolunga ukunake nawe ukuthi hlezi badayisa anidayisi ngane team yenu noma nihambe nifake ehlathini mhlawumbe nasehlathini ingcono ngoba lashaya ihlathi elinye kodwa mhlawumbe nalo lingangcono kudlula nini yabo noma mhlawumbe nithatha u-MDC nokwenza i-first team esi-first team
noma ngabe izindle zodala mntanami kusekhaya la
usekhaya la qinisile mntana enkosi noma ivunguvungu ifika kodwa niyohlala endlini ube right yes udlile ngisahamba ngisawabanye
Pirates nje ngifuna ngidlile
siyathemba ukuthi ucoach uzokhuluma into esile lapha
sasengasengikhali but now
yes ngiyaxolisa
Sibahle mahhala nje zikhe sibahle mahhala.
noma ngizokuphathela yena just ngizomfaka ngaphansi kwekhwapha makhwapheni thank you very much
Yazi sibahle mahhala.
bhoti uyaphila ngiyazi-ke uma ngizokhuluma nawe asimbeke boka bhoti asimtshinge lo ngiyazi-ke ufuna umbona yilo
ngishaya ngamabili mangibuka futhi kwesekena afune ngimshaya ngamangaki ngamabili
lalela-ke ngiyazi ukuthi masikhuluma nawe sikhuluma ilanguage yebhola tell me describe it describe the first half
wakhuluma isilisa
in English bhoti
awuphinde umbuzo
describe the first half for us
yabo the first half ikeza yazi yabo eswini ikeza ayihlangene eswini lapha eswini ngisho umrema akadlali iwinga useswini apolisa akadlali iwinga useswini so lapha eswini sibangaki siba u5 eswini kanti ikeza bangaki ungathothi bawu2 noma bawu3 babonile abadlali eswini abekho ama-defender laphaya awakwazi ukupressa lapha emasayidini ngoba i-Pirates idlala ngamasayidi ubona ukuthi la magoli lawa o2 angene ngamasayidi ngoba leli linye bekuyikhona kwadlalwa esayidini langena umrimo lishaya
okay so uthi nge-decision ya-coach uwadu basho njalo uthi what
Abdul
no not Abdul Wadu
lo we-Pirates
yes ucoach lo ohlezi vele oshaya ama-first touch dume ngokuthi nje ibhola liyahlala esifubeni sabantwana endlini yabantwana
anembeza mfethu uyayibeka
let me just ask that question I was asking Bye.
yabo ama-tactic akhe asahamba kahle kodwa manje yabona wasesibuya kwi-second half engathi uqinisa lapha eswini
Okay.
yabo
mhlambe ufisa mhlawumbe aqinise ngobani noma what are your suggestion as
yabo i-suggestion yami njengamanje ukuthi mhlambe mzuzu wa 775 yes sithi ukumbiza kancane umfukhenge simbize umfukhenge sifake noma umbule
Chef.
abantu abazoyimanage igame abantu chef iskim solo
kahle ufuna sibapheke labafana laba
funa sibapheke funa
Sibafundise ibhola.
yonke into sibaqede
yes this topic is interesting how about we just leave it for coach
yabona nje masesibuya manje uzobona amabili futhi 2 phume behambe
ngithe yini kombe into ewinayo bizwa ngani
ezimnyama
hayi cha
yini manje
ubizwa ngani umuntu oshaya abantu
izwa ushaya abantu
yazi uyangiphoqa ubizwa ngani umuntu oshaya abantu
ubuza wena ushaya abantu
yini ukushaya ngesizulu
ushaya nje
mntanapi
wena nje umntanapi
yazi phela njengamanje ame-supporter of Orlando Pirates so nami ngiyadalapha
wena utalabhayi
let me tell you a secret engazi ngitshela abantu ngo-1964 umkhulu wami wayewu-coach we-Orlando Pirates yabo baphoza umkhulu wami kuyikhona ukuthi ade kagcina kumvashini 1964 phela ngo-1937 e-Orlando Pirates 1964 angazalwa kodwa phela ngiyakutshela nje yazini ngiyabuya
msukubalekela mangako
yazi ndawo ngafuna ukuphendula kuzoze kuthiwa ngikhiphe iy'ndaba zami awuthi ngihambe ngisawubuza abanye Mzanyana uyaphila ngibamba indlela ohleli ngayo ukuthi cha incese uchaza ukuthi yonke into iphethe how was your first half for you ibinjani first half kuwena tell us more about your first half.
Uyabona nje amina bekhona
Imaphi amazwe engiduzo
ukuthi swini la futhi somila futhi
amazwe engiduzo lawa. Thank you very much mncanyana. Tell us ukuthi ubani omthandayo ku-Orlando.
Mfukeni.
Ucele ubaba uJomo Cosmo ngenkulu inhlonipho sicela sinikele umfukeni number 10.
number 10 siyamcela amnike number 10
Siyacela baba Jomo Cosmo sicela nimthege nimkhombise le live ukuthi besicela Nkosi yami abuke ukuthi kahle kahle u10 udeserve ukhokhomelona sisawa abanye ke stay with me nami ngizohlala nani sesifikile. Sizongena ke bafethu isizoqala igame siphethe esimphethe ke hlale phansi bhuti uyaphila
Akaphileka bafosikele so happy kakhulu futhi namhlanje ngiyangibona la.
I love your energy bhuti wami ikhombisa impilo
Uyazi nawe skeleton.
we are breathing
You know.
oxygen
Awurami lo tingafika uyangifika lo uyazi nawe skeleton.
yini igqokela hayibo
Hayi uyabuza. Awusibonanga yini isikole na inkanyezi.
hayibo
Sahamba sabuya thina.
iPirates nenkanyezi
Sinenkanyezi sina skeleton.
nje pho indaba iqoba le
Hawu. Uyazi nje yimi
ngoba abangafanele bayigqoke
Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs.
ini Kaizer Chiefs
Hayi Kaizer Chiefs iqembu lebhola futhi ngabe dele matatsi.
yazazi ke inkukhu zo 160 zibizwa ngoba ngibizwa ngani
Kaizer Chiefs.
hayi I understand le nkukhu za 160 thank you very much thank you manje unamthuthu kahle kahle utshela kanjani ukuthi ukontrola kanjani
Awula mthuthi iphethe into kumele siyenze ukuthi sutshele ukuthi awuthi uqinisa ngoba manje kusazoshuba kule game le. Kusazoshuba kusazoba mnandi ngathi Christmas ngempela futhi.
sazoshuba noma sekushuba
Wash mapensela.
guys isibuyile igame guys isibuyile igame guys